In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a printable children's storybook with ChatGPT and Canva. If you'd like to create a beautiful printable children's storybook without designing everything from scratch, combining ChatGPT with Canva makes the process much faster and easier. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to generate a colorful storybook page, customize the design, and prepare it for high-quality printing. To begin, open ChatGPT in your web browser. Once you're on the main screen, click inside the message box at the bottom of the page. Next, click the plus icon beside the text field to open the available tools and integrations. From the list, select the Canva tool so you can create your design directly through the integration. With Canva selected, paste your storybook prompt into the message field. In this example, the prompt describes a colorful picture book page for children between the ages of 4 and 7. It requests a whimsical, hand-painted watercolor illustration that fills most of the page and features a cute little owl wearing a tiny blue backpack as it walks through a magical forest filled with colorful flowers, friendly woodland animals, and warm golden sunlight. The prompt also includes the story title and instructions for creating a printable page layout. After reviewing the prompt, click the Send button to submit it. ChatGPT will process your request and display a customization widget in the conversation. When it appears, click the purple Generate Design button to begin creating the artwork. During this process, you'll see status updates as the design is prepared, the artwork is generated, and the page layout is finalized. Once the design is complete, a preview of your printable storybook page will appear in the chat. Take a few moments to review the layout, including the title, illustration, and text placement. If everything looks good, click the green Edit in Canva button located below the preview. This opens the design in a new Canva tab where you can continue making adjustments if needed. Inside Canva, use the zoom slider in the lower right corner to enlarge the page so you can inspect the story text, artwork, and fine watercolor details more closely. Reviewing the page at a higher zoom level helps ensure everything looks clear and ready for printing. When you're satisfied with the final design, click the Share button in the upper right corner of Canva. From the available options, choose Download. Leave the file format set to PNG, keep the default export settings, and continue with the export process. Once the file has been created, open it in your computer's image viewer and zoom in to confirm that both the story text and illustrations appear sharp, vibrant, and high resolution. Finally, zoom back out to admire your completed printable children's storybook page. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,